Hello everyone.
Welcome back to Aalsee Riders. This video is a detailed property tour of the resort where we stayed in Maldives for 3 days.
From Malé Airport, we reached the arrival jetty in a speedboat.
And we were taken in a buggy to the reception area. Just adjacent to the reception area is the main bar, Hiyala, and this is operational 24/7.
It is also adjacent to the swimming pool.
If you are still watching, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Now let's move towards the villas.
There's a lot of open area in the property for outdoor sports.
The back side of the beach villa faces the road and the front faces the beach. The stroll along the beach villas is quite pleasant.
White sand, greenery, and the beach on the right side.
Now let's check out the ocean villas. The view from the water villa opens to the ocean.
Beach grill was pretty close to our room. You can get snacks and beverages over here.
This is the view from the beach grill. There's also a swing in the water.
There are plenty of water activities in which you can indulge here.
Tiki bar also faces the beach and it is pretty.
now we are moving towards the surfing area. On our right side is the spa, Chavana Spa.
There are 2 restaurants in the property which serve all meals. This is the Banyan restaurant. The other one is the Sunset restaurant.
Banyan restaurant has food for all palates. It also has an Indian section. This is the Sunset restaurant. It has a deck facing the ocean. This is the way to the kids play area from the reception. On the way you will find basketball court, badminton and tennis court, and you can also spot people playing cricket.
There's also a kids club where kids can engage in different kinds of activities.
For the fitness enthusiasts, there's a gym as well.
And now we are signing off from Adaaran Select Hudhuranfushi.
See you soon on our next episode. Tab tak ke liye,
Bye-bye.